Ciao, this is Ambrish Quick and I'm from Pakistan. Today I'm sharing this good news with all of you that finally I have been able to achieve this all important milestone in my life here in Italy, that is getting my Patente B. And with this, I'll be able to drive in Italy, which by the way I have missed a lot in past 1 year or so since I have moved here. So I'd like to thank Ambrish for his dedicated support, for his help, for his professionalism, and most importantly for him believing in me. Um, at the start, I was very underconfident and doubtful that I'm going to get through because I did not know the language at all. But thankfully, Ambrish was there and he made my dream come true. And I'm sure he'll do the same for you as well. You guys just need to listen to him, just do whatever he says, and you're gonna get through just like me. He's gonna guide you through each and every step of this journey. The most important thing is that you guys need to believe in yourself, trust Ambrish, and most importantly, ignore all the people who says this is impossible. In the end, I would like to wish you best of luck. God bless you, Mr. Ambrish. Keep up the good work. Ciao, bye bye.